Hey, I'm Timothy. I'm a loan officer in Michigan, and thanks so much for visiting my channel. On this channel, I like to talk about mortgages, I like to talk about credit, building wealth, and all that good stuff. So thanks so much for being here. I really appreciate it. This is a really exciting video. Just make sure you stay to the end because it's really good information. I want to talk about how Michigan first-time home buyers can get the absolute best deal on a home in 2023. Now, like I said, I'm a loan officer. I know this stuff. I'm an expert in this industry, so I can give you the knowledge. The first thing you want to do to get the very best deal on a home is have good to excellent credit. Now, having good to excellent credit is going to do two things for you. Number one, you're going to get the lowest interest rate at whatever time you're purchasing. So the lowest interest rate. And having a low interest rate is going to save you thousands of dollars. Now, if you don't have the best credit, you can still refinance, but having a good credit score really is going to help you. It also is going to give you the best program. So there's different loan programs out there. And if you have the best credit or really good credit or above average credit, you're going to get the better programs. And those better programs are just better mortgages. Now, another thing to help you get the best absolute deal is having a good realtor. Now, there's a lot of realtors out here, but not all realtors are created equally. And you want to look around and find a really good realtor. Check their reviews, check their website, just really dig deep and ask them maybe how many loans they close and what's their strategy to help you buy a home. Because a good realtor is going to be able to show you homes that are on the market and off the market. Now, some homes that are not on the market yet, you get a good deal on it. Let me tell you why. If they know another agent that's about to put a home on the market, they can call those agents and they can show you those homes, because once the home hits the market, now you're competing with other people. And the sellers sometimes will say, all right, well, I want more people to see the home. But if you come in first and you put your offer in first, they have a good relationship with that agent, then they're just going to accept your offer without having to bid. Because the way it works is you put an offer in, someone else put the offer in, and they accept the highest offer. And what happens, it can get bid up, and now you're paying a little bit more. So having a good agent, also a good agent knows how to negotiate. So they're going to go back and forth for them, and back and forth on your behalf and negotiate that price. You can tell that agent, I want to really get a good deal in this home. What do you think this home is worth? The agent tells you it's worth, X amount, but we can get it this low. Now, another strategy is that sometimes with the inspection or the appraisal, that agent that you hire can go back to them and say, hey, the inspection says it needs this and that, and just kind of nitpick those two things like the appraisal and inspection and make them come down on the price or pay your closing costs. And that's going to save you money. So having a good agent is number two. Number three is be willing to walk away. Sometimes you find a home and you really want that home, and you really want a home, it's going to make you offer more. It's going to make you accept certain things. So being that attitude where you're like, hey, I can walk away, I can live with or without this house. Now, not everybody can do this, but if you're able to say, hey, I really want this house, but I'm not willing to pay that much, and be kind of choosy, you're having leverage over the sellers because you walk away. It's like when you put money on the table, when you're about to buy a car and you're willing to walk away, they're willing to negotiate. So you can tell your agents that hey, this is our best offer, take it or leave it. And what happens sometimes, you walk away and whatever reason, they contact your agent, and you get that home at a deal. So Those are 3 strategies. There's more to help you get the best deal, but those are gonna make the 3 biggest impact. Having excellent credit means you're gonna get a low rate, you're gonna get the best loan program, you have a top agent, and then another thing that you're not in a crunch or hurry and you're able to walk away and shop around. So I hope this helps. Let me know what you think about this video. Drop me a comment, and I'm here to help you guys. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video.